today's tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to make this texture paint using eggshells. The concept of this painting is actually it's glittering raining in Mars because it's red and it kind of glitters it's raining, and I have used eggshells to cover up this matching. So if you guys like it, please go ahead and watch the video.
So for the texture paste, I have used chalk powder, fevicol and white acrylic. Just mix it and form the consistency. It should be like, if you take it, it should stand in peaks. So this is the board I'm going to use for this texture painting, and you can start doing your work. So you can use any kind of plastic knife, anything like this would do, or spoon, or even palette knife. I'm not going to use palette knife today because I'm just going to show you guys how to use the plastic knife, so everyone can do it easily. And just you have to spread it. So you guys can see the textures, right? And you can smudge it. Keep on blending it until you find that this is a perfect consistency. So after the texture got dried, I'm applying the glue to stick the eggshells. So just apply the glue wherever you want to place the eggshells and start placing them on top of it.